Why do you want to do MSc in US?
They got more exposure, more opportunities there. I'm kind of tired of India living for so many years.
You know, it's about being independent, learning that individuality.
In India, the research grant is about $8 billion, but while in US, the research grant is about $250 billion.
That's because it's there in their head that if they go to US, they have an extra name among people. Okay, I'm not from India now, I'm from US, I'm leading a better life, and I'm like, yeah, I'm just happy. That's the only reason why people go there.
Because education facilities are more there. Total education system is different compared to India and abroad.
I think actually it's good. Like India will develop a lot. Like India will spread across other countries also.
I don't know, but if
They can go abroad and they can study there, they can implement their plans here.
No, I don't think they should definitely go, but if they really have good opportunities to work there, they can go. But I would definitely suggest them to come back because they also have to serve their own country. If they want, they can study in India.
So that's
Not a fashion. Who want to enjoy another 2 years, they can go, have fun, study well, and come here.
see, the main reason we go to abroad is we don't have colleges here. That's the thing. It doesn't mean we don't respect our country or anything like that. We just need education. We're going to come back anyhow. No, there is not so much need. They can even do their studies here.
Because for some, like especially my branch here, biotechnology, we are getting less scope here in India. So we need to go there.
It's better if we learn there and come and serve our country.
Not at all. Not at all. I don't believe in that stuff.
Students should actually try to study in India and try to make India better than going outside and doing it.
I think it's better to stay in India.
Going there and working in petrol bunks there, bakeries there is worse than being here. They think that it's worse, but it's better to work here, not to go there.
I prefer going to abroad because I feel the standard of education over there is, more high and more systematic than here. So I prefer going for higher studies, only for higher studies.
Stay in India, serve your country. That's what I believe in. That's it.